Does cloud storage affect privacy? Have you ever wondered how safe your personal information is when you store it in the cloud? Cloud storage is a popular way to keep data accessible and organized, but it brings up important questions about privacy. Let's break down how cloud storage impacts your privacy and the ethical considerations involved. Cloud storage allows users to save files on remote servers managed by third-party companies. This can include anything from family photos to sensitive business documents. The main ethical issue here is ensuring that your data remains confidential and secure. If not handled properly, your information could be at risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. To protect your data, ethical cloud storage providers implement strong security measures. These include encryption, which scrambles your data so only authorized users can read it, and access controls that limit who can see your files. Secure data transmission protocols are also important to keep your information safe while it travels over the internet. Ethical cloud storage practices must comply with data protection regulations like the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act. These laws set clear standards for how personal data should be handled and protected. Users should also be informed about how their data is collected, stored, and used. This means cloud providers need to be transparent about their data sharing practices and obtain explicit consent for any secondary use of your information. Accountability is another key aspect. Cloud providers must take responsibility for maintaining the privacy and security of user data. Regular audits and compliance checks help ensure that ethical standards are met. The rise of artificial intelligence in cloud environments adds another layer of complexity. Artificial intelligence systems often requiring large datasets for training, which can lead to the misuse of personal data if not managed ethically. For professionals like lawyers, confidentiality is essential. If cloud storage is not handled correctly, it can compromise sensitive information. This highlights the need for strong security measures and ethical practices in cloud storage. Building consumer trust is vital. Ethical cloud storage practices help create a sense of security among users. When cloud providers act unethically, it can lead to a loss of trust, financial damage, and reputational harm. In summary, cloud storage does indeed affect privacy. Ethical considerations are essential to ensure that user data is protected and respected. By prioritizing security, transparency, and accountability, cloud providers can maintain ethical standards and safeguard user privacy.